Heading out on a long motorcycle trip can be an exhilarating experience, but preparation is key to ensuring a smooth journey. Start by thoroughly inspecting your motorcycle to make sure it's in prime condition. Check tire pressure, brake fluid levels, oil, and ensure all lights are functioning properly. A well-maintained bike will prevent unnecessary breakdowns and contribute to a safer ride. Next, plan your route meticulously. Utilize maps and GPS to chart the best path, taking note of fuel stations and rest stops along the way. Have a contingency plan in place for unexpected detours or weather conditions. Additionally, pack a first aid kit and emergency tools, including a tire repair kit and basic wrenches to tackle any minor issues on the road. Safety gear is non-negotiable. Invest in a high-quality helmet, sturdy gloves, and durable riding boots. Layer up with breathable, protective clothing to adapt to varying weather conditions. Don't forget to pack rain gear, as unexpected showers can occur. Also, consider using reflective gear or attaching lights to your bike for added visibility, especially if you'll be riding at night. It's important to pack smart and light. Prioritize essential items like documents, water, snacks, and a power bank to keep your devices charged. Use saddlebags or a secure backpack to distribute weight evenly, ensuring you can maneuver comfortably. Check the weather forecast prior to departure and plan your gear accordingly. Lastly, inform someone about your travel plans. Share your route and estimated arrival times with a friend or family member. They'll be aware of your journey and can provide assistance if needed. Subscribe to Girishar on YouTube for more tips and adventures on motorcycle travel. Happy riding and stay safe.